Welcome to your online classes. Good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to discuss lesson number 8 from your English grammar book, Mastering Grammar, under title Possessive Noun. Let us start. Dear students, before starting this lesson, we have to understand what is the meaning of possession. Possession means ownership. Let us understand this topic with the help of these examples. This is Tina's doll. Yes, dear students, who is the owner of the doll? Yes, Tina. This is Ruhani's skirt. Who is the owner of the skirt? Yes, Ruhani. This is Sachin's bag. Yes, who is the owner of the bag? Yes, Sachin. Well, dear students, you can observe that a special sign is used to show the possession or ownership. What is this sign? This sign is known as an apostrophe sign. A noun can show what it owns or possesses. We add an apostrophe s to a noun to show ownership. What does it mean? It means that we can show the ownership with the help of apostrophe s, like Mona's pencil. Whose pencil? Mona's pencil. It means Mona is the owner of pencil. Soham's cycle. Who is the owner of the cycle? Soham is the owner of the cycle. Let us understand what is a possessive noun. A noun that shows ownership or possession is called a possessive noun, like Rahul's mobile. Here, Rahul is a possessive noun. Certain rules are followed to form possessive noun. We add an apostrophe s to a singular noun to show possession. Let us understand this rule with the help of these examples. Mr. Verma's bike. You can see that Mr. Verma is a singular noun, and here we have shown possession with the help of an apostrophe s. Sudha's sari. The student's book. Here Sudha and student both are singular noun, and we have added an apostrophe s to show the possession. Let us discuss second rule. We add only an apostrophe to singular and plural nouns ending in s. What is the meaning of this rule? It means that we add only an apostrophe sign to singular and plural nouns which are ending in s, like the students. In this example, you can see that the noun is plural. Mr. Das. It is ending with s and it is a singular noun. Third example, John Keats. It is a singular noun but it is ending with s. What does it mean? It means we add only an apostrophe sign to singular and plural nouns ending in s. All these three nouns, students, Mr. Das, John Keats, are ending in s, and we have added only an apostrophe sign to show the possession. Let us understand last rule of this lesson. We add an apostrophe s to plural nouns not ending in s. What is the meaning of this rule? It means we add only an apostrophe s to the plural nouns that are not ending in s. Here you can see that the first example, the men, is a plural of man. Mice is a plural of mouse. We are adding an apostrophe s to these plural nouns, and you can see that these plural nouns are not ending in s. Yes, dear students, today we have discussed lesson number 8 from your English grammar book under title Possessive Nouns. I hope this topic is clear to everyone. We will meet in our next class Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Have a nice day. Thank you.